So this question is from geometry, circles. Let's see what is given to us. We are given with a circle with center O. This point O is the center. If point O is the center, definitely AB will be the diameter. Yes. And we have a tangent XP. This tangent XP is touching the circle at point P. We have an arc AP. The length of this arc AP is 20. The length of this arc AP is 20. And then we have one more arc BP. The length of this arc is 16. Yes. And what we need to find out? We need to find out angle AXP. Angle AXP. This angle we need to find out. Okay. Let's see what we can do. First of all, we will join point O and point P. Let's see what we will get if we join point O and point P. Once we have joined point O and point P, we can use one rule, one property of circles. Let's see what is that property. That property says that the radius from the center of the circle to the point of tangency is perpendicular to the tangent line. That means this angle will be 90 degree. Now this angle is 90 degree and we need to find this angle. Yes. So what I can do, I can find this angle POB. If I'm able to find angle POB, I can easily find angle AXP. Let's see how we can find this angle, angle POB. For that, what I did first, I find out the radius of this circle. How? Let's see. As I can see, APB is a semicircle. It is a semicircle. Yes. If this is a semicircle, what will be the perimeter? Perimeter will be 2 pi r divided by 2, half of the circumference of the circle. That will be the perimeter of semicircle APB. Now this is equals to AP plus PB. What is AP plus PB? That is equals to 36. Why it is 36? I'll explain again. See, this is a semicircle. Yes. And this is the perimeter 20 and 16. So that's why it is 36. Now, if I solve this further, 2 and 2 will get cancelled and radius will turn out to be 36 by pi. This will be the radius of this circle. Now, using this radius, I can easily find this angle POB. Let's see how. Let angle POB be theta and let's find this angle POB, which is equals to theta degree. Now, this angle is subtended. This angle is subtended at center by arc PB. Correct? So we can use the formula for the length of arc. We can use the formula for length of arc PB to find this angle theta. So what is the formula? The formula says angle subtended at center upon 360 degree times 2 pi r. What is r here? R is the radius of the circle. This is equals to length of r PB, which is 16. Correct? Okay, let's solve this. Theta we need to find out, and upon 360 times 2 pi r. R is 36 by pi. Correct? Is equals to 16. Now if we solve this, what we will get? We will get theta as 80 degree. We'll get theta as 80 degree. Now this theta is very important for us. Now we can find angle AXP easily. Yes, let's see how. Now look at triangle POX. Here 90 degree plus theta plus angle AXP is equals to 180 degree. Correct? Now what is theta? Theta is 80. Now we can find angle AXP very easily. Yes. So what will be the answer for angle AXP? Angle AXP will turn out to be 10 degree. Yes. This angle AXP will be 10 degree. This will be our final answer.